Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30477. And this is the Creator Colorful Chameleon. For some reason, I want to make a Boy George joke. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing one of these Polybag build-alongs a day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, think about subscribing, because I got more on the way. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description for where you can find it on Amazon and also on Bricklink. And I've also included the link to Brickset, where you can get information about the set if you aren't looking to purchase it. Also, there's a Google Doc spreadsheet that has a list of all of the previous and present and future LEGO Polybag build-alongs that I'm doing. So if you want information about a previous one, or if you want to find out about some upcoming ones that you might want to build along with me in real time, then all that information is down there. Now, I mentioned in a previous one of these that I don't know how crazy I am about LEGO doing like living things, and I guess living things is a little more complicated, like natural things, like a dog, like the pug I did, or a chameleon. But also, that being said, like when I was putting together the dog, it like didn't look like a dog for a while, and it didn't look like a dog, and then all of a sudden it looked like a dog. And so maybe that's just one of my sort of I don't know what you call it, failings about this kind of thing, where, I mean, the thing is, a lot of these things look kind of cool once you get done with them, but it's like some of them are like solid hits, and some of them, maybe that's what it is. Maybe like some of them are really good and some of them are not, and maybe that's my issue with them. I don't know. What do y'all think? Are you pro or con LEGO doing living things? I think I don't know, I'm on the fence. The thing is, like, all along, I was pretty anti, like, growing up, I was hardcore, you know, I was LEGO Space, and sometimes Castles, and the Castles and Knight stuff, but mainly I was LEGO Space. Like, that was the deal. And having come back to it, I find that the things that I didn't like before, like the city stuff and the vehicles, I really like now. So maybe it's one of those things where the LEGO creatures kind of just need to grow on me. I don't know. What do y'all think? How have y'all found that your tastes have changed, going from, you know, if you went from a kid playing with Legos to, well, I'm always leery to call myself an adult, but more or less an adult playing with Legos. I mean, like, how have your tastes changed? I still kind of want to go back and do some of those classic space sets again, though, because I mean, I do have some seriously fond memories of those. Like, I remember there were a number of times where we'd go to visit my grandparents in Florida, and I'd get a space set and put it together while I was down there. Of course, I also, you know, hunted comic book shops while I was in the city. That's one of the things about, there weren't a lot of those things in a rural North Carolina. Anyway. Oh, the last leg. But yeah, I wonder how have your taste, how have y'all's tastes changed since you know, if you've gone from being a child slash adolescent form of Lego fan to an adult one. I don't know. I thought it was kind of interesting. I've thought about. I keep thinking about maybe checking out the Lego Mindstorm stuff, but I don't know. The thing that keeps stopping me is I'm concerned it would feel too much like work. Because, I mean, they have like the packages where you can program all kinds of good stuff for your robots, and I think I think there's one in Java. But again, I don't know. It's just, it concerns me that it would feel too much like work, and I don't know. I tend to not really want to have a lot of work involved. I don't want to feel like playing with Legos is work. And I mean, don't get me wrong, some of the stuff that I've done, my very serious planning and scheming for doing a Lego thing, and research about what the Legion of Doom and the Hall of Justice look like online to see how close Lego wise you can get to that. I mean, I've done some stuff that might be considered a little bit overboard, but it doesn't seem like work when I do it. And I feel like if I'm spending time writing Java code to program a robot, it might veer too much to like real life for me. Not, I mean, I don't write code to program robots, but it's still in that same area. Alright. So, we got to make the chameleon head now. Alright. So, this one goes here. And here. Like so. And then this is going to be the front of the chameleon, or the top of his head. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. I'm kind of sort of guessing at the moment. I got that, and I got one across the bottom right here. There we go. Got that one, and then this. Alright, that's an interesting choice for positioning that. So, it goes right here, and then alright. If this goes like this, okay, so this one goes here. For some reason I was looking at it wrong. And then this one will stick out off the top. And it'll be like a little kind of crest for our chameleon. And then I'm going to save myself a little hassle and stick the eyes on these things early. So that's going to be eyeball number 1 for our chameleon. And eyeball number 2. You know what I wonder? I wonder why they always give you an extra eye with these things. So eyeball number 1 on that side, and eyeball number 2 on this side. Wow, he's kind of got the googly eye thing going on, doesn't he? Let's twist this a little bit. There we go. Now he's kind of looking the same direction. Alright, so we got that. And then this clips into here, like so. Yeah, like so. This clips in right here. Alright, so the last thing we gotta do is we gotta make the mouth for our chameleon. So this goes like so, and then like so, and then this is going to be his tongue. And then, oh, it's going to be like this. So it's got to be upside down? I guess it's got to be upside down. Oh, wait. Am I doing this all backwards? Okay, hold on. Let's look and see. So this is like this. And then this clips in here to that little spot right there. And so that gives us our chameleon. So he's looking kind of chameleon-y so far. Ha! Alright, that's kind of cool. Alright, so we got him. And now what we got to do is we got to make the little thing. So it's going to be offset a little bit. Like this. And it's got a little bug. So this is our little bug. This is our little bug for this. And then it clips to right here. Huh. Alright, that's not too bad. I'll adjust his tail a little bit. Like so. Alright, extra piece-wise. We get the little wing thing and a little blue thing and an extra eyeball. I don't know. That's kind of neat. I wasn't really expecting to like this one, but he kind of does look like a chameleon. Anyway, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.